Alright, so we're going to be going up the PeopleMover.
Find two of my favorite spots.
Okay, here we go. Down in here. It's going to get a bit dark for a moment.
First up, Progress City. Walt Disney's amazing dream.
We were on Space Mountain. Space Mountain was so good.
This is Starboard 75.
I think it's my favorite ride. Yeah, so
High-speed rocket port to distant deep space
it's a
destination.
bit dark. Oh, this is a Space Mountain song. Oh, we can see the Space Mountain people going up. Oh, there's a castle. Look, castle.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Alright, so we're going to be going up the PeopleMover. Very steep.
Hands, arms,
So there we go.
legs, and other
We're in the
appendages
PeopleMover.
inside your car. And please
Turn
supervise
around.
younger beings. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your journey. For your safety, remain seated at all times, keeping hands, arms, feet, legs. Please supervise younger beings. Stay clear of the doors, which will open and close automatically. Enjoy your journey.
Okay, here we go. Going a little bit faster.
TTA Blue Line, non-stop service around Tomorrowland.
There's a stage where some characters perform and take photo opportunities.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the PeopleMover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Morak 5, your guide aboard this highway in the sky. The absolute best way to see Tomorrowland. And my stars, is there ever lots to see? From spacecraft to monster labs, there's really nothing like today in Tomorrowland.
For your safety, if you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers, please do not take flight. Thank you.
I think we're fine. I don't think we got space packs or jet packs or stuff like that.
The next
Oh,
station
look at the
is
boat. It's all
Tomorrowland
lit up.
Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to
The boat. Oh, no, it's not.
Red line.
Whoops, what am I saying?
Don't worry, your express train keeps on
It's a
rolling through
building.
the future. Right by two of my favorite
Okay,
spots.
here we go. Down in here. It's going to get a bit dark for a moment.
First up, Progress City. Walt Disney's amazing dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny PeopleMover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny ORAC. On your right is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy. Except actual stars. Those are no longer sold.
Then we have the shop.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light
Shannon, there's a
I
speedway.
love a good circuit.
We're going to
these
try
are
and
two
get
of the
that
best
at some
tracks in
stage.
the cosmos for a bit of light speed competition.
Speedway. We're going to try. We're going to try and do it. That's our aim. And it's all lit up. I think it'll look nicer at night time.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy Airport. Please keep forward-facing vehicles clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Oh, look at that orb thing. Space Mountain, yes. We were on Space Mountain. Space Mountain was so good.
This is Starboard 75.
I think it's my favorite ride. Yeah, so
High-speed rocket port to distant deep space
it's a
destination.
bit dark. Oh, this is a Space Mountain song. Oh, we can see the Space Mountain people going up. That's inside Space Mountain. So when you're on the PeopleMover, you can go inside Space Mountain and see the people heading up the first ramp.
You H2 owe it to yourself. Book today.
You can still hear the music from Space Mountain. Oh yeah, there's the flashing lights. We're still inside Space Mountain. Yeah, so Space Mountain has that music and they have lots of flashing lights. If you're not good with flashing lights, then you wouldn't be very good with Space Mountain. Because that flashing that you see now, that is what you see on Space Mountain. Oh look, we can see the people at Space Mountain. Yeah, that's what Space Mountain looks like. Now we can see all the people having fun on Space Mountain. Yeah, I like Space Mountain. And I think we're back to the beginning again.
Paging Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow. Please contact Mr. Johnson at the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon. Thank you.
Do you need to confirm your flight to the moon? Oh, we can see the castle. We're going to see the castle soon.
Vehicles. Thank you.
There's the castle. Yeah, there's the castle.
Attention all visitors.
To your right is the Astro Orbiter, our celestial symbol of interplanetary harmony and fellowship. Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin amongst the planets.
Oh, Jeffrey's revived. That's the coffee that Hannah was talking about. Well, she said it's the best coffee in Disney. That's probably why there's a lineup.
Next station is Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress.
As usual, we'll keep moving ahead, and so does the carousel. Like progress itself, this theater never stops. Despite
Carousel
new
progress.
generations to dream
Okay,
of
we're going to
great
get
big
to see a little bit of it, I think. So I've seen videos where people have fallen asleep in the carousel of progress. Is that the line? Oh. Maybe that's the line for it. So apparently if you want a nice nap, go to the carousel of progress. Alright, we're going to come through now. This is pretty cool that you get to see the inside. Get to see the inside of rides.
Affirmative. We're on it, Buzz. You can count on us.
Buzz! Oh, we went on that ride. You get to shoot. You have to aim at the Z's, at the Z's, and shoot them. I wasn't filming that one. I wanted both hands this time. But that's pretty fun. The kids loved it. I think the adults did too. You get to shoot things. I wanted to film Splash Mountain, but we were... Oh, there's a castle. Look, castle.
Take the time to see this show.
And there it goes.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station.
My fellow sentient life forms.
So now we're coming back and we're at the end.
Has nearly come full orbit. Thanks for riding with us. It's been a pleasure to have
So
you.
yeah, the PeopleMover is a good way to have a look around
Because now is the time.
around the
Now
park.
is the best time to go out and explore tomorrow.
So this is our Busy Aussie Family Part 2. Thanks for viewing, and if you haven't subscribed, then go and hit that subscribe button. Bye for now.